Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today that's a little bit different video. It's about a robot that I bought from Roborock. It's the S8 Ultra whatever. It's the new version that just came out a few months ago. I've actually replaced mine, but anyways, let's open up this box and see what's inside, shall we? So on top of the box there is this little box. It comes with the accessories. It's actually a present for buying this vacuum in this time. I don't know, you may come with this present as well. Anyways, the present has inside, if I could open it up. Okay, now it's open. It has like staples on it. Oh, I hate these kind of boxes. Here it is. So it comes with all the accessories you might need. Age-wise mop cloth, that's the cloth I think that's cleaning the side of the room. This is the side brush, you'll see it in a moment. Mop cloth and washable filter, finally a washable filter. I think the older ones used to be washable as well, but I'm not sure. And now let's open the bigger box with huge knife. And here is, I know it's on the side, so I'll read it for you. S8 MaxV Ultra Intelligent Floor Cleaning Robot. Fine. I need to take out this bigger box outside of this little box, so in a second. So again, let's open this box as well. Oh. And from the side as well. And now I have to flip it, so in a second. Now you can actually see the robot's picture. So here is the actual guide how to install it and everything. It used to be much more tougher. With every generation it becomes much easier. So I'm going to install it. I'll try to show you the steps that I'm doing if there is something. And yeah, let's keep on. Here is the robot. Let's see what kind of differences are in that generation. I've actually owned 3 of them so far, so it's nice to see the differences. So finally, a side brush to clean your sides of the wall. The head looks a little bit taller. Camera. Actual buttons you can read. Usually they're not that great. There used to be a plastic cover just to keep it clean. I don't know why now they don't have it anymore. What else? Just one eye on the side. There is not on that side. And behind it, the charging ports. You usually have to keep them clean, but you don't have to really deal with it. Everything is already connected to the robot, so you don't have to do anything really about it. Here is the dock station itself. Now it's not just white, it's white, black, and looks like gray, right? Let me flip it and see what it has. So here's the dock. Let's peel those stickers like just we have a printer. It's kind of funny having those peeled off. And down here you have a foam that you want to remove. So in the box you're getting this 90-degree power connector. So you have to put it inside and do a loop. I'll install it and show you once done. So I've installed it like that because I want to have it on the right side. But if you want to install it the other way, it's just fine. You have to, keep it that way. There is actually even instructions how to install it. If you want it that way or you want to do the flip way. Either way is fine. So before installing the little mop that I want to install over here, I would like to show you the containers over this year. So the water became a little bit, looks like it's got smaller, but not really, because it's much more wider. And they finally fixed the thing where it kept like that, and even if you moved slightly, it would block the water. Finally fixed it. The dirty water as well, but they've changed where the dust being kept. So instead of being on top, it's actually being covered over here. You can pull it like that, and you can see everything that's inside, nothing too important. And here is how to install that part. Fairly easy. The last two ones were horrible, like it wasn't that easy, you had to play a little bit with it, but now it's working just great. And now for the little disappointment. So now the cleaning cloth that's on the side of it has to use its own fluid. So to change it, you have to pull it with two hands, and you have it over here, right? But the fluid does not come with the robot, so you have to buy it separately. So if you forget to buy it, you cannot use it. How stupid it is. Anyways, to put it inside back, you have to do it like that, you have it like that. And installing that way, we can see actually the auto disposer, whatever, and just like that. So now everything is actually configured. I have to install the application, but I need my phone for it. So here is the quick startup guide. It's actually when I've connected the robot, there is like a failure. I think it's because of the robot's battery. Anyways, those are like show you what you have to do before cleaning, whatever. If you want to say anything about your home, you can tell it that it has a pet, you have a carpet, and I don't have a carpet or multi-level. And then there is like the auto disabling noise. Usually I'm not enabling it, because if I'm not using the robot, it does not make a sound, so I don't really care. And yeah, now it has the ability to save your map. Anyways, it used to save it anyways, but now it can save it, like I think to the cloud, whatever. Yeah. And before even I can use the device, I have to update its firmware. I'm going to do it, and hopefully it'll be quick and I'll be able to do it. I'm actually also enabling the auto update, because it can update itself whenever it's needing it without me interrupting it. Now I've installed the application, updated the firmware, everything, and now we can log into the robot itself. So we get it in, and now you can see my home. Welcome. So basically, if you're using this app, you already know. I mean, if you use the S6, S5, S7, doesn't matter. You can either way choose specific rooms and then change the settings, which we go to there soon, or zone if you want to go like just in the middle or wherever your kids ate or something like that. Or you can just go full, and then you can choose turbo, max, extreme, how many times, standard or faster. I'm usually using the standard and everything on max. Now, the only thing that's kind of hidden is that you can use solely the mop. Okay, you can just solely choose the mop with high intensity, or even more higher, like deep plus, which is great. Also, you can do it for the vacuum. You can do the extra, like make it just vacuum things, or you can go customize. But customization, I think it's related to the house itself, like editing a place where you shouldn't let the robot go or whatever. There is also the routine, so you can choose it the way you want to set it, like, I don't know, after meals, at a time, at night, weekends, whatever. Again, I'm not using that, but it's available. What else we have over here? We have regarding the dock. So if you go to the dock, then you have settings for the dock itself. You can change the map wash frequency. You can choose like dustbin, how much, how duration you're going to let the dryness of your map go. I forgot what I was supposed to say. And some other settings. So you can just play with it. So that's the app.